Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to design an infographic resume in Canva. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva application, which of course I've done right here. And the next thing is jumping into today's text. Are you ready? All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create a design on Canva. There are two ways that you can go about it. The first way is that if you choose to create a design from scratch, this is what you're going to do. Just go ahead and click on this create a design button at the top right corner of this screen, or the second way is to click on the search bar where you describe what you want, and it's going to take you to a world of templates that you can choose from to help or facilitate your creative processes. So in the search bar for this text, all we need to do is to type infographic resume. So you have a wide array of templates that you can choose from. Now, some of the templates are free and some are not free. The ones that are not free are just labeled pro. They're labeled pro and they have crowns on them. So, but the ones that are free are just free. They don't have that crown. They don't have the crowns on them. So here I have something infographic. So here's one, here's another one. So scroll the way down, and you have this more graphical presentation, but they're not free. So scroll the way down to get something. Oh, this is really nice, but it's not free either. So okay, all right, let's see something really interesting. Awesome. Okay, this is infographic enough. This, and it's free. So I think it's something that we can definitely hop on. Awesome. Okay, so let's just go with that one that we saw that is free. So here is an infographic resume. So let's click on customize this template, and it takes you to the editing studio for Canva. So here's my infographic, right? Infographic enough. So what you have to do, I'm just going to show you how you can manipulate everything here to get what you want done. Okay, first of all, let's start with the colors. I don't like this green white kind of thing. So all I need to do is to click on the color, all right, this green, and then I head over to this color right here and change it. Navy blue is fine, and do the same thing, change it. I'm gonna have to change the color of this one as well to that blue, and it changes really everything. So head over here, click on that has that color thingy, change it, and this, change it in this. I'm gonna click on it, that line there, and change it. So we have this now. No, it's just telling me I'm offline, and data is very much on. Oh, I'm sorry about that. So then just disconnect and connect again. Okay. So I'm just gonna have to. So I'm back on. Sorry for that, by the way. So this is whole thing. All right. I'm just gonna click on add a page so that I can add this page. There's an element I want to take from it, which is this picture element. The picture element is not here. So I'm just going to click on that picture thing. Control C is to copy, and I'm going to find a way to fix that picture there. So maybe I'm just going to have to delete this and move this somewhere. And I'm just going to Control V, and this picture is here. So I'm gonna take this in a bit, all right, so that it can fit this. And I have something really creative here. So I'm gonna click on this and click on this delete button because I don't need that again. So here would be Amy Mac, and I'm gonna drag and drop my picture. So I'm heading over to upload. This is upload, and something really sweet of an headshot. Drag in the small place, drop it. Awesome. So that's it. So here now, this has to come down a bit. So this has to like come down a bit. So just drag that down. So you have your profile, okay? And if you want to change, so remember, if you want to change anything, just, you know, double click and it highlights everything. So add your own word. And then if you want to move anything, just hold whatever you want and move it to wherever you want. So this is grouped, all right? So you can just click on ungroup and all of them are going to be independent elements. Is that okay? So you can now edit them separately as separate entities. So I'm going to click on undo to get that back in position. So here are all of these things, right? Change color, change background, move pictures, change text. Then click on the text, change the text here, or change the text size, or change the text color, or just use any of these things, just make it really fancy. All right, so that's pretty much all you need to know. So I have two designs, right? I've already collected what I want from here, so I'm just going to click on delete page for here, and I just make it just one. So click on the share button and click on download to download, and you're good to go. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.